Hello. Okay, it's been a while. Sebab I pun there's a lot of things going on because especially my work lah. Because apa? Boss baru dapat. He just got the retrenchment letter, and apparently he offered himself to be retrenched because sebab dia nak save kita orang. So now you know why I love him so much. I really love my boss because I terus terang cakap dengan you, tak ramai bosses yang dekat luar sana sanggup korbankan diri dia untuk selamatkan staff dia, but he is one of them. So he just got the letter last week, 20 berapa tu, hari Jumaat ke kalau tak silap I. And then the first person he showed the letter is me. For the second time berjuai air mataku. For the second time I cried. But then I told myself life must go on. You have met few people, good people in life, and then you are learning from him. So I thank God, I bersyukur sangat pada Allah sebab I berjaya. I walaupun I actually was under his wing I think about 2 years, so I learned a lot from him. So he shared a few secrets lah, if for the future. So I really appreciate. Bukan Malaysian lah, I cakap dengan you. My boss, this boss that I'm talking about, he's not even Malaysian. Can you imagine? Lepas tu, because of the retrenchment and everything going around, everything, I pun jadi macam takut. I really wanted a bigger space. This apartment is okay, cuma I nak bigger space because apartment ni agak kecil ya. I think square feet pun tak sampai 1000, tak sampai 1000 square feet. So I really wanted a bigger space because anak-anak I pun dah besar ya. So I nak letak komitmen. Dah cari rumah dah banyak minggu dah ni. 3-4 minggu dah I duk cari rumah. Finally today I told myself, that's it Leah, you cannot keep on holding back just because there is a bump in the road. Just because your boss is leaving and you think that it's your time. It's okay. I pergi Ampang tadi dia Ampang Hill. Dia kalau you tahu naik Bukit Belacan tu, the lookout point tu, sebelum sampai lookout point tu there is a construction kat situ. So I tak fikir banyak because I memang suka that the very green area, because you paling ke belakang pun you nampak hutan, you nampak bukit, and paling ke depan you nampak KLCC. So I took the one that is viewing the KLCC area, and the square feet is not so bad. It's about 1200, which is bigger lah, So I pun macam tak fikir banyak. I letak booking fee. I told to myself, because that apartment, that condo will finish in 2022, so I've got another 2 more years to go. And I told myself, why not I buy now? Sebab sekarang ni banyak rebate lah apa kan, sebab home ownership campaign, HOC apa benda tak. Actually I dah lama sebenarnya house hunting ni, tapi sebab banyak benda kan. And then I realise I'm an Aquarius. I'm an Aquarius, and I know I am like this. I'm jenis yang sangat senang fikir banyak. Because we air signs. Air signs is intellectual sign. We are stimulated by intelligence. So because of that, so kita sendiri pun, sebab tu air sign banyak kat luar sana, air sign which is Libra, Aquarius and Gemini. You girls memang susah gila you nak tidur, betul tak? Because you kepala otak you fikir tum itu ini, time malam orang nak tidur, kau tak boleh tidur because you got so much thing in your head and you feel like your head is going to explode. That is air sign people. I'm one of them. So I dah malah fikir, I told myself, Leah, move on, because he moved on. Because he got retrenchment, maybe he's got some that one. Dia cakap dengan I, dia kata he's got less to lose because anak dia semua dah dewasa, anak dia semua dah kerja. Therefore he took the retrenchment in order for him to save us. It's a very good intention, but apart from that, kita tak tahu orang punya planning kan. So kita macam I know him only professionally. I don't really know him much personally per se. But I would say that I'm quite close to him berbanding dengan orang lain, ya, kat dalam department tu. Because we work together, I work with him. So it's a big loss. So when you lost something in your life, you rasa, you feel like you are in pain. So what I do, I just go to the pain, face it. Yes, ambil masa seminggu dua, sebab tu I tak buat video kalau you perasan, for the past 1-2 weeks, because I was in pain. I was in pain, put it short. So I process it. Biarlah sampai aku mimpi-mimpi, sampai termimpi-mimpi, terbawa-bawa, mimpi lah, doesn't matter. So now I feel that I resolute myself that life goes on. I'm still there, but I don't know. Wallah alam, nobody knows. If let's say one day I got retrenched, at least this house that I booked, it will finish in 2022. So I've got 2 more years to go. So I believe if I got retrenched, maybe I will be jobless for like maximum maybe 5 months or maybe 6 months, maybe not more than that. So by that time, I already got another job. So I know that it's a very good investment. I dah tak payah malah nak fikir, sebab I sebenarnya dah banyak sangat kepala otak yang dah pecah dah nak fikir. So I place the booking fee, which is 500 only. I bayar 500, that's it. I letak nama I, kira-kira per month I kena bayar around 3,000. So it's not bad, yeah. So I take it. I told her, I told the sales girl, I cakap, please get me approved for this this loan. I cakap kalau tak dapat 90% loan, 80% pun tak apa, because the 20% I'll pay. So she will say, okay, dia kata, let's go for the 90% first, dia kata, and see how it goes. Okay lah, good lah, I cakap. Kalau tak dapat 90% loan, 80% pun I ambil, I cakap. Because I bukan nak cakap besar. I got money lah. I got money saved up, So I dah malas nak fikir. So on the way balik tadi, I thought to myself, I think I better start going back to my videos, coaching and everything. And this is very pain. I faham sangat. Sebab tu I cakap dengan you, kalau you perasan my videos, I'm not gonna ask you girls to be like a total bitch who like, you have no emotion, nothing. No. Kita manusia, kita ada perasaan. When you break up with your boyfriend, something happened in your life, katakan your parents died, that kind of stuff. There are time to grieve. Kita manusia, kita bukan robot. And when you grieve, betul-betul grieve. Give yourself that time. You deserve it. Just nak nangis. I dah 2 kali nangis because of my boss. First time is when he told me, berendang air mataku. Second time when he sent me the letter, he showed me that he got the letter. I just got this morning, this screenshot dalam telefon, WhatsApp I will lepas tu yang best tu apa, lepas this screenshot tu I demam 1 hari. Aku tak tahu, mungkin sebab because my body cannot take it anymore, I don't know, because it's a sign. And I told myself, enough Lia. You perasan tak, if you are stressed, walaupun people always say mind over matter. If you have a strong mind, just go for it. Actually, I cakap itu terus terang dengan you, mind can trick you. The mind can say, yeah, it's okay lah, tak ada apa lah, it's okay, just rationalize it, you'll be fine. But your body can never lie. Nampak? Your body can never lie. Sebab tu when you are stressed, live with it. Just go into the pain and tak apa, nak grief, nangis. Kau nak stress, kau nak menitik air mata, it's okay. When you release it, your body also releasing it. Tapi if you're holding it, macam I lah, I'm holding it sampai I demam. Semalam I demam actually, temperature tinggi. Aku pun dalam hati cakap, kalau aku pergi office pun, memang definitely dekat tempat guard house tu, dia akan scan temperature, confirm memang tu. So I requested to work from home yesterday. So I was like, this is not happening. So I told myself, I said, enough Lia, you have gone through enough torture, kau dah sampai demam apa semua, it's time for you to move on. Forget about whatever happens. Whatever happens, nobody knows what's going to happen. So just do your best. That's all I can do right now. Now I am in the state of acceptance. Masa kita deny, kita ada a few stages. first kita dapat news tu, kita akan deny. Yeah? Even your mind also deny. How can that be? Mana boleh, tak boleh lah. What's going to happen to me? Oh, oh, I hope that he won't be retrenched. I hope the news is not true. Tiba-tiba, pak, dapat surat. Aku menangis lagi. And now, slowly, about 2 weeks already, I take it. Now I'm in the stage of accepting. I'm accepting. Fine. This is it. So I have to roll without him now. Whether I like it or not, memang stuck gila. Dah lah aku jaga Asia Pacific. Australia, India, Indonesia, also Malaysia. I take care of 4 countries. 4 countries. It's not easy, Macam-macam kena. Tiba-tiba this guy who has been in my company for 15 years, 15 tahun, compare dengan aku yang baru 2 tahun. Kau rasa tak kangkang-kangkang aku nak settlekan. Tapi I told myself, I accept it, take it one step at a time. I know I can do it. I cannot expect too much. Just go for it. Ya, andai kata retrenchment happen to me, it happened. I have to accept it. Within 2 weeks like this lah, mula-mula deny. After the second week, I'm accepting already. That's what happening to me lah. Okay. Penat nak bercerita pasal benda-benda yang meluahkan perasaan ni kan. It's not easy, but those who have gone through this, you faham apa yang I sampaikan. Alright. Okay, take care.